house used to be the best. Yeah.
What do you want to take pictures of it?
It's video.
Apparently the worst one was
The feet.
Manny, don't
Don't what?
don't show my feet. I think my car used to be the best. I love that. When I who's the principal now?
And here we have the chef. Take us through your recipe, chef.
It wasn't my recipe, it was Carla's recipe.
Carla.
Yeah.
The Carla.
Yeah, the Carla. Carla from Macro.
That's quite good, eh? The lumpia.
I'm just helping out to make it stuff.
And this is the menu and the buffet for the birthday, right?
Shit, ow! I bit my tongue.
Good for you.
This is coming. The pollution?
Yeah. Pollutan. The pollution.
Do you know pollutan?
Oh, see, Bisaya, I don't know it.
Maybe my birthday.
No, it's a food. Food. No, it's Joseph. I'm gonna ask him. I don't know how to say it in English, but yeah.
I feel like I have to be wearing junior uniform, but
Are you guys? I just want to ask you. Are they gonna take off the mufti thing?
they're planning to, but you know all those houses.
Hoy, Asaka! Ha? Ha? Unsa Miss Joseph?
Thank you very much. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.